My name is Paul McNally. I'm the dealer principal for McNally Motors. We are in business since 1973, selling Toyota cars. We're also #1 in Longford, 5 years in a row. So our big cost obviously was heating a big building like this. It's badly insulated, it's difficult to heat. Obviously we were spending a lot of money on oil. There was a lot of hassle with keeping the burners going properly. The place wasn't really comfortable, so you've got a workshop environment where you're bringing cars in and out, doors opening and closing a lot during the day, so very difficult to heat. We looked at the whole heat pump system, spoke to Jerry Duffy in Eurotech. He gave us very good advice. He told us all about the grants that were available from SEAI. In my head, I thought if I was getting 20% grant, I'd be happy. When I heard it was 40%, I was blown away by that. Looking to the future, I just knew this was the right thing to do. Get rid of oil and go sustainable energy. So really planning for the future and trying to do the best for the environment. All the work was done outside in the yard with the drilling in the plant room, so it went really smoothly, to be honest. There wasn't one day disruption, even the day of switch over. Once it was switched on, then it's, as you can feel, it's a lovely, gentle, consistent heat, and everybody, customers are happy, staff are happy. The biggest thing we have control over is the EuroSmart system that Eurotech put in. We can adjust the heating in each room individually. The showroom can have one heat setting, the workshop can have different. So if we're not using some offices, we can shut them down, and it's very, very controllable. The total project cost was 180,000, and then there was a grant amount available, 40%, so around 70 grand. So it came back to roughly 110. We're hopefully looking at about a 5-year payback on that. We haven't seen any increase in our electricity bill. Also, we don't have any oil bill, and that would have been over 20 grand a year. So we're seeing massive savings by putting in this new system, and we're very happy with that. We've reduced our carbon emissions by up to 90%. So as Toyota dealers, we're very, very proud to be able to say that and to do our bit for the environment. The best advice I would give anybody is get the right supplier, get the right contractor, get proper advice, and then just go for it, because it's a no-brainer.